Konnichiwa minasan, it's Zoo. Today we're watching Kickback by Ado. I think it's the opening song for Chainsaw Man, although I don't really remember the song. Is it the opening of Chainsaw Man? I think so. I googled it, and it says it. So yeah, if you like to check out unedited anime reactions, be sure to check out my Patreon. Yeah, without further ado, let's get into the let's get into the video. Oh, and also on Patreon, you'll be able to suggest songs to me. So yeah, let's check this out. Let's go.
てへ
Eh?
いや
やば
初めて歌います
熱っ
どうしよ
Wait, why is this so? Is it?
皆さんご一緒に
Is it like a casual cover?
う A beautiful star 努力未来 A beautiful star 努力未来 A beautiful star 努力未来
A beautiful star
ランドリー今日はガラキでラッキーで
But this is like karaoke with friends kind of vibe.
これもこれでバイバイ
Her voice amazing, as usual.
あれが欲しいこれが欲しいと歌ってる幸せになりたい楽して生きていたいこの手に掴みたいあなたのその胸の中
Oh, that naka.
ハッピーで埋め尽くして
Oh, vocals are amazing.
いつか見た地獄もいいところ愛をばらまいて I love you けなしてくれ全部奪って笑ってくれ My honey
My honey.
努力 Feel like beautiful
Beautiful
star
star.
努力 Feel like beautiful star なんか忘れちゃってんだ努力未来 A beautiful star 努力未来 A beautiful star 努力未来 A beautiful star 努力未来 Beautiful star
Why do I love the vibes of this so much? Like, of this like video? Hey!
雨がないより先にその傘をくれよあれが欲しいこれが欲しいすべて欲しいただ
全て欲しい
幸せになりたい楽して生きていたい
I can sense they're having fun recording this.
何もかも消さりたい
Her voice.
あなたのその胸の中うまっ
マジでやばい
Yabai!
ラッキーで埋め尽くして Rest in peace まで行こうぜ養育だけ迎える天国じゃどうもいけらない I love you けなして奪って笑ってくれ My honey 努力 Feel like beautiful star 努力
This song
Feel like
suits
beautiful
her.
star 努力 Feel like beautiful star なんか忘れちゃってんだ Happy ラッキー歌って
歌って
良い子でいたいそりゃつまらない Happy ラッキーこんにちは Baby そっち
Oh.
努力 Feel like
Beautiful star.
努力 Feel like
Beautiful star.
努力 Feel like beautiful star なんかすごい感じ努力未来 A beautiful star 努力未来 A beautiful star 努力未来 A beautiful star 努力未来 Beautiful star
Yeah!
という感じでした
That was so fun! So this song is like Ado's cover of the song, but I don't know. Is this a recorder when she was like streaming or something? The vibes are casual. I love this so much. I can tell they're having fun, and you know, when people are having fun, the fun is contagious, and when she's having fun and we can all feel it, everybody's gonna have fun together along with her. Yeah, it was super duper fun. And yeah, Kickback, the opening of Chainsaw Man. This song suits her a lot. Her voice kind of shines singing these kinds of songs. Like, kind of dark, needs some kind of shouting. Loved it. Ado has an amazing voice. I love her singing. And yeah, she's amazing. Love this. Amazing cover, although it's it's like a cover song with no music video or anything. Usually I watch songs with like music videos, and yeah, I thought this one would have one. I didn't check it beforehand, but pleasantly surprised. That was so fun. Loved it. If you liked it, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And if you would like to check out anime reactions, be sure to check out my main channel and my Patreon too. I'll probably watch Chainsaw Man soon. So yeah. Thank you so much for watching. All of my links to my social media if you want to be my fan. Everything, it's in the comment section and description section. Yeah, thank you so much for watching. This is me, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.